Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.